Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select all emails in Gmail. This is a super useful trick when you need to quickly clean up your inbox, archive old messages, or just organize things more efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Gmail account. If you aren't already logged in, enter your email and password. Once inside, head over to your inbox or any folder where your emails are stored. This could be the main inbox, promotions, or even a custom label. Now, to start selecting, look at the top left corner of your email list. You'll see a small checkbox. Clicking on this will select all the emails visible on the current page. But here's the important part. This only covers that one page of emails. If you want to select all emails in that folder, notice the small message that appears after you click the box. It usually says something like, "Select all conversations in this folder." When you click that, Gmail will highlight every single email in that folder, not just the ones on screen. Perfect for bulk actions, but maybe you don't want to grab everything. Right next to that checkbox, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on it, and you'll get options to select read, unread, starred, or unstarred emails. This way, you can be more specific about which emails you want to manage. Once you've made your selection, the choice is yours. You can delete them, archive them, or mark them as read. These tools are really handy for reducing clutter and keeping your inbox clean. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to select all emails in Gmail, whether it's just one page, the entire folder, or a filtered set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.